Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can insert or add a video file in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type Word. So Word will appear under the best match. Simply click on that to open it. Click on a blank document, or if you already have a document, simply click on that. Now let's go to and how we can insert the video file. Here at the top, you'll find all these tabs and you will find the insert tab. Click on that. And here in the right pane, you will find a symbol. This one, object. Sorry for that. This should be object. So you will find object. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find object. Now this window will appear. You have two tabs, create new and create from file. Click on create from file. Now browse for the file. So I saved it in my desktop. I have this sample video or this one. This is the name. So simply click on insert. And once done, you just have to click on OK. And now here it is. You can also increase its size depending on your requirement or what you prefer. And if you want to click on it, you can simply do that. This will played. This will be played once you click on it. So that's it. That's how you can easily insert the video file on your Microsoft Word. Just go to the Insert tab, click on Object, and then click on Create from File. Browse for the location of your video. And then you just need to simply add. And then that's it. You just need to simply click on OK. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.